like when they say today. What is today? Huh? What is today? Take 3. You good? We good?
No.
Ok. Je commence la vidéo comment là? Je suis en train de faire la vidéo, mais j'ai aucune idée quoi dire commencer. Je recommence. Ok. Today is calamari day. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Fritz, and let's get cooking. So now we're gonna start by getting ourselves some fresh calamari, mostly frozen. You thaw them out. I have them already clean from the grocery store. Now you can either cut them in rings, or I like to keep them whole since we're gonna grill them today. So it's one of my favorite recipes. And we're gonna start by cutting them like in circles, but not all the way through. You still want it to hold itself, okay? Like so. And we're gonna start by cutting them like that, and then we're gonna marinate it fast. Add some spices in there. So let's do the rest. See, this is perfect, like that. So when you take it out from the grill, either you're grilling it outside or in a little skillet like that, everybody holds itself, so you don't have to like kill yourself or burn yourself taking them out. Now, what I like about this recipe is that it's very simple, very easy, very quick, but also the vinaigrette we're gonna do later on is made with rosé wine, which is a little twist. Now that I got rid of my cutting board, I have a nice clean surface, and I wash my hands. We're going to add some olive oil to our calamari, not a lot. And then we're gonna put some cumin, just a little pinch, just to get some flavor in there. Some smoked paprika. Beautiful. And some sumac. For those who doesn't know about sumac, it's a very nice spice. It has a lemony, zesty flavor to it. I highly recommend getting some. Now, once all your spices are in there, you're gonna take a tongs and just give it a little quick mix. I'm not adding salt right now, nor I'm adding the garlic right now, because when we grill it, I don't want the garlic to burn, and I don't want to over season this calamari either, because usually it has this natural saltiness to it. We're just gonna add it later. Now, once this is all done, we put it aside, let it marinate a little bit, and then meanwhile, we're gonna do our little vinaigrette. Where are my bowls? All right, now let's restart. The clumsiness of this video is amazing. Let's restart. And now that I have a bowl on hand, we'll be able to do our vinaigrette. So we're gonna start by grating our lemon zest. And after that, we're gonna do our garlic. Add 1 clove of garlic in there. Don't be scared adding raw garlic, because the heat of this calamari, once it gets out from the pan, it's gonna cook it slightly. I don't feel like I want to chop the capers, so I'm gonna add half of it, of the capers, and then a little bit of hot chilies. Now, the hot chilies You can rinse them a little bit. It'll help with the heat, but I do like quite a bit of heat in my food. This is completely optional. You can leave them out. But they do add this beautiful hot depth of flavor in the food. It's good. It's amazing. Now, a little bit of olive oil and all the herbs. I mainly wanted to have coriander, so I'm gonna cut myself a little bit of coriander right here. I'll put a little bit of parsley and a few leaves of mint. Just like that, just a little bit. Now you take all your herbs and twist them together like you're doing a little cigar. And then we're gonna go and chop them very finely. This part you wanna do it very finely. This is called chiffonade. You don't wanna do it roughly and then you pass through it, because all the oils of your herbs are gonna stay on your cutting board. So you don't wanna do it once, as finely as possible. There you go. Add it in there. And that's it. Beautiful. Now with everything, we're gonna add a little bit of rosé wine. Like that. Beautiful. Now, we're gonna grill the calamari. Let's turn on the fire. And when it's nice and hot, we can add the calamari to our pan. The cooking process is gonna take about 4 to 6 minutes, I would say. It's not long. You don't wanna overcook calamari, because if you overcook it, it's gonna get tough. And you definitely don't want that. So as you can hear the beautiful searing, oh my god, the smells are gonna come out. That's gonna be very good. While this is cooking, halfway through the cooking, I'm gonna add some olives, some green and black olives in there, so it cooks with the calamari and it becomes nice, soft, hot olives. Let's put it all. Beautiful. The other half of our capers, we're gonna add it to there also. You can put shallots and everything, but I'm keeping it simple today. I think that we can take the calamaris and flip them. Look how beautiful this is. Oh wow, look at that. That looks amazing. See how easy it is to flip them? You see how it holds itself, and it makes it much, much, much easier to do so. Beautiful. Fourth one, we can add a little part of the chili that we have left. Very nice. See, it's almost cooked. It's almost done. It doesn't take too long to do. It's such an easy meal, but it's like you're bringing a restaurant to your house doing this. I'm personally tired of going to restaurants and always eating like fried calamari. It's such a overkill for me. It's been done. Grilled calamari is the new thing. Now the way you know that it's cooked, it kind of holds a certain shape, and you can see it's like getting bigger. I think it's pretty much there. Oh, the smell in this kitchen is so good. It's so amazing. Now let me put a nice little plate like that. And I think, you know what, we're just gonna mix the calamari in here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just like that. With the heat, with everything, it's just gonna make it very nice. See? Yeah, I could have used a bigger bowl, but whatever. Bear with me. Oh yeah. So if ever you have a smaller bowl than that, please use it. Because I definitely didn't think this through. Believe it or not, when I'm doing videos like that, there's a lot of improv going on. Even on the recipe itself. Let's take this, put it on the plate. Look at that. Put this here, and this there. Let's go. Now we take the olives. Beautiful. And all the capers. Now you take the rest of that marinade and let it go. This is such a fun plate to share with family and friends. This is such a good summery plate, especially in Canada right now. Summer is right around the corner and we're all waiting for it. So having a beautiful plate like that is a must. Let's take a little bit of limonata. Let's put the lemon here and here, and salt and pepper. Beautiful. I prefer using sea salt versus regular salt when you're cooking it. I control more of the salt in there, and it's way less salty than table salt. It's more of a like a finishing salt, but on calamari it works. Black pepper. And just for fun, I bought some microgreens. Arugula microgreen. Put it here and here. And here. This is amazing. Look at this. Let me do a cleanup and then we're gonna do a little tasting. See you in 2 seconds. All right, so let's do a little taste test. If it's time. Take a little bit of the calamari. Oh yeah. With a green olive. This is very good. It doesn't even need the lemon. Wow. The tartness of all the olives and capers in there with the wine. The wine just, it's like a, it's not as vinegary as lemon or vinegar or whatnot. It's very soft, very clean. It tastes very clean. It's so good. Wow. I hope that everybody in their house tries this recipe, enjoys it, and shares it.